Hey goodies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charissa, also known as Lady Goldapple. Let's start. I got a lot of questions from you on my Instagram asking me how I always do my makeup, what kind of products I use. Always when I go somewhere, people ask me, what do you use? How do you use it? So today I am gonna do a makeup tutorial again. When I started my YouTube channel, that was the first video that I recorded, a makeup video, makeup tutorial. And I don't know why, but I never recorded another one, but I really enjoyed doing it. So today I am gonna show you what products I use and how my daily makeup routine looks. We begin with applying a day cream. I already applied mine, so I'm gonna skip that part. I'm gonna start with foundation. And because I can never choose between the shades, I use two. I'm gonna use this one from Clinique, and it erases the redness from my skin. The other one is from Smashbox, and as you can see, I use them a lot already. It's just because I really love them. And basically when I wear this one, it's usually winter, and when I use this one, it's usually summer, because this one is a little bit more dark and this one is lighter. So when I'm not really tanned already, I'm just combining the two. I'm just gonna use that much, and then like that. And then I'm just gonna mix it on my hands and apply it on my face. I forget to do my hair up. And I'm gonna dab it on my face because I learned that that is the way to really create the natural look, but also the full coverage. So that is the first step. I forgot to put my hair up, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, then the second step. The second step is concealer. And I use this palette from Rimmel London. So this one is for under your eyes. This one is to make your skin look less dull. And this one is for the red spots on your face. But to be honest, I'm just using this one for both spots as under my eyes. So I'm just gonna put that on my eyes. So I ate way too many chocolate the last days, and that's not really healthy, and especially for my skin, it's not the best thing to do. But you know how it goes, sometimes you just have those days that you just really need chocolate. So I was like, I'm just gonna admit to that craving and see how it will go. My skin doesn't look too bad though, because when I was a little girl I had lots of acne and it was way worse, and now it's just better. Okay, so this one is done. I am going for the Insta Fix Matte from Rimmel London also. It looks like this, and now you might think, okay, that is a white powder. Why are you gonna make your skin white? Well, actually, you don't see the white. It's just a natural transparent powder that you apply on your face after putting on your foundation to make it look matte, but also to make sure that your bronzer and blush that we are gonna apply next will attach evenly to your face. So the matte finish is done. Now I am gonna continue with my brows, because otherwise I have naked eyebrows all the time recording this video. So first I am gonna apply the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. And this is shade 2. And I'm just gonna apply strokes like that. Then I'm gonna continue with the Foolproof Brow Powder from Benefit Cosmetics. I am gonna use the darkest shade, using this small pencil, and then just filling in the ends of my brows. It's quite dark, but I'm also gonna smudge it out and in the end so that it looks natural. Now I'm gonna continue with the Highbrow, also from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply it underneath my brows and above. Okay, so the brows are done. Now I'm gonna continue with shaping. I'm using the contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I already used it a lot. This was my most expensive buy actually. It cost me 55 euros, but I've been using it for more than 3 or 4 years now, I think. So it's a great buy that I still love. And the colors that I use most are these two. This one is actually a bit too dark for my skin. You can use any brush that you like. And then I'm just gonna mix these two and apply it as a 3 on my face. So it's going to be like this. And then we are gonna apply it there. And then there. Like a 3. You see? Also in the shape of a 3. And then I'm also applying it a bit on my nose, because that is the area where the sun gets. Then it's time for blush. I use this one from Chanel. It's actually for my mom, but I borrowed it. It is shade Velour 168430. I have no idea if they still sell this color, but I really love it. I'm just gonna smile like this and then put it on the apples of my cheek. Now we're gonna continue with the highlighter, and highlighter is just something that also can't be missed. And basically you can't go wrong with highlighter. You can apply it everywhere on your face if you would like that. And today I'm gonna show you on what places I'm gonna apply highlighter. So this is the palette that I'm using. It's from Urban Decay. Shimmery. And then I use this brush, Shading Fan it's called, also from the Hema. And it's a really handy brush to apply highlighter. So you can use one of the 3 colors or mix them. I think I'm gonna go for the lightest color, which is the one in the middle. The tip of my nose, basically. Then the upper lip. Then right here. Then, and I'm applying it underneath my brows. On the other side as well. In the corners of my eyes. I'm using it as well. So for the eyes, I'm gonna use this palette from Inglow versus Amandelijf. They created this palette together and I really love the colors. I'm basically always using this one for my lips. As you see, it's almost empty. And this one you can use as a blush, but also as a eyeshadow. And that is the color that I'm gonna use today. We're not gonna do difficult with eyeshadows today. We're just gonna keep it basic. So, that one on the lid, like that. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm not gonna go really bold today because this is a look that you can wear to your job or to college, and it's not like you're going out, so you don't need to go really bold unless you want to, but I wouldn't if I should do so. Then I'm also gonna use this one, another highlighting bit on the beginning. Eyeshadow is also done. I'm not gonna apply any eyeliner today, just gonna keep it natural, but I am gonna apply mascara, of course. And this one is also from Benefit Cosmetics. It's called Bad Gal. And it really gives my lashes more length and also a bit of volume. Also depends on how you apply it. I'm gonna apply it like that at first and like that. So also behind my lashes. Okay, so eyes are done. And the last thing is lipstick. And I'm gonna use this color from the palette also, using my fingers for this one, and just applying it in a dabbing way on my lips. Done. So the makeup look is done. I will my hair loose again. So we got this pink look, all pink today, pink hair, pink scarf and pink shirt. So that was it. This is my daily makeup look. I got a lot of questions about it and hopefully you now know how I do my makeup. And you can recreate it yourself too, and if you do, let me know. Send it to me via DM or mail or whatever, because I love to see it. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Note to self, you look good, you pop.